It was described by neighbours as like a bomb going off. 10 people were injured, 2 seriously, following a huge explosion this morning in a residential area of Clacton in Essex. According to reports, it happened on Close Lane at around 8:30, and when the emergency services got to the scene, the surrounding area was evacuated as a precaution. Aerial footage showed the scale of the damage. 2 homes were completely destroyed, 1 was badly damaged, and the windows and roofs of other properties were smashed. Neighbours were reportedly seen trying to rescue victims by pulling them from the rubble. 5 people were treated at the scene by paramedics, 5 more were taken to hospital. It's believed 2 people had life-threatening injuries. The exact cause of the explosion is officially being investigated, but it's thought a gas leak might be to blame. The authorities are telling people to avoid the area.